How to change thumbnails on your YouTube shorts. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change the thumbnail of your YouTube short. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to upload a YouTube short. This will not work unless you are trying to upload a short. So just simply tap the button right here at the top corner and then upload the short. Next, just simply choose a video that you want to upload. So this is the video that I want to upload, right? Next, what you want to do is click on the pen icon and choose a photo. So let's assume that this is the thumbnail that I want to upload. Then I'll just simply select the thumbnail. I can edit it right here and then simply click on done. Now, as you can see, my video has a thumbnail as well. And that is how you do it. That is how you add a thumbnail into your YouTube shorts. Then just simply add the title, the description and whatever, and then just simply click on next and just simply select no and upload the video and you should be good to go. And over here, as you can see, this is going to pop up right here. So here you go. In the shorts, you can see the video, it is being uploaded and with the thumbnail that I have selected. So that is how you change the thumbnail on your YouTube shorts. So thank you for watching and until next time, take care and goodbye.